Hi everyone. Let's talk about skills, the ability to do something. So may dalawang klaseng skills. Meron the hard skill and the soft skills. Hard skill are those skills na job related. Like, kailangan natin ma-accomplish or ma-perform effectively. Like, meaning, ito yung mga klaseng work or specific job that assigned to us. For us to have a result when it comes in delivering the job or doing the task that assigned to us, like our sa accounting or sa being a computer engineer. So that is the job related skills directly. That is the reasons why there is job getting done, while the soft skills are those skills not non-technical. Now, this is more of the how you work or interact or character that you must have. So meron mga 7 important skills that we have to know. So the communication skills. Communication skills in order for us to be effective in life, and how to deal with other people well, how to handle the solutions well. That is communication. So communication, meron mga specific tasks, how to handle the communication among the group. So in everything, we need to practice our communication, and it is very important that we have a self-awareness. What is your status? Ano yung knowledge mo? Ano yung capacity mo? Kung saan ka maganda yung skills mo? Kung ano yung skillful ka? Yung mga bagay na gagawa mo. So, self-awareness is help you to evaluate yourself if you are effective or not. So, yung pagkakakilala mo sa sarili mo, self-awareness, that is a big help, because it will help you to lead on the things that you really want to do, and to adjust yourself depends on the capacity or skills that you have. And empathy, you cannot work alone. We need to work with other people. May mga bagay, may mga trabaho na we can do it by ourselves. We need a partner. We need to work with a group. We need to work the task among the people around us. So, para mapabilis yung trabaho, it's better to work with other people, and that is empathy. So, sa trabaho natin, sa ginagawa natin, we always deal with other people, and we need to learn empathy to place ourselves on another shoes, na para we have to understand the people, kung ano yung katayuan ng tao na yun na nakakasalamuhan natin, and marunong tayong marunong tayong ma-measure or maging in control sa sitwasyon na put yourself in other shoes. So that is the best na ma-develop natin as part of the soft skills, because we encounter different kind of people and different kind of attitude, and we need to give different kind of motivations for them. So by learning of how to empathize with other people, and sa mga skills na kailangan natin ng mga think tanker, like sila yung nagbibigay ng mga ideas, sila yung nag-iisip for something for the company, for the group. Sila yung mga think tanker na kailangan natin matutunan how to decide. Napakagandang maging attitude, yung maging decisiveness sa buhay, yung good decisions when it comes to decisions, to know how to decide well, lalo na for the greater good of all at the right time, at the right place, with the right persons. part of that is the soft skills is practicing ethical thinking also. At the same time, we need to be proactive. Everybody loves to be a participant na mas maganda yung hindi ka nakatayo lang, nakatingin lang, nanonood lang. Mas maganda if everybody participate. We need to be proactive, to coordinate with other people, to work with other people, and lalo na if can help with the group, especially if you perform well on the task that assigned to you, and it helps those people na sila yung on top of you, managing of you, because you will be a self-managed na hindi ka na kailangan utusan. May initiative ka, gawin yung mga bagay-bagay, kaya mong kumilos without the last supervisions of the manager ahead of you. And the last one is in terms of soft skills. It is also very important that if you learn how to manage your time. Time management is very important because we have to know the priorities that we need to do, and we have to focus on the very important thing. Most of the people it's not that skillful when it comes to time management. So there's a lot of time na nasasayang na hindi natin nagagamit natin sa hindi tama. So pag nagamit na yung time na yun, wala nang balikan na yan. Therefore, you have to manage your time in a very special way. Time na kung saan marami ka matutunan, masasave mo, mabibigay mo sa mas importanteng bagay. Sa importanteng tao, sa importanteng place. And this is one of the factors that the reasons why the company or the people grow well, or ito rin din yung reasons why yung tao nag-fail if you don't know how to handle time management. And hope these skills, the hard skill and the soft skills, you learn a lot. Thank you everyone, and God bless.